The most powerful Atlantic storm in a decade has caused widespread destruction across the Caribbean and the southern U.S., leaving 55 people dead. Irma, at times a Category 5 hurricane, packed winds of up to 295 kilometers per hour, 185 miles per hour. The storm cut a devastating trail across Caribbean countries and territories before moving up through the U.S. states of Florida, Georgia and South Carolina, weakening into a tropical depression. An estimated 1.2 million people have been affected. How dangerous is it? Irma was just a Category 2 storm on the 2nd of September, but soon became Category 3. Irma grew stronger quickly because of a combination of very warm water, high levels of mid-level relative humidity, and vertical wind conditions, meteorologists say. Between 2 and the 5th of September, Irma strengthened from a Category 3 to a Category 5 storm, the highest possible level. By the 7th of September, Irma was being followed by Storm Jose, which was also upgraded to hurricane status. Also present was Storm Katia in the Gulf of Mexico, which became a hurricane before it hit the Mexican state of Veracruz. 2 people died in a mudslide caused by the extreme weather. Irma's clouds were very, very cold. Infrared data from the NASA National Oceanic and Atmospheric Administration Suomi NPP satellite on the 7th of September revealed very cold, very high, powerful thunderstorms stretching around Irma's northern, eastern and southern sides. Storms with cloud tops reaching very low temperatures have the capability to generate very heavy rainfall, according to NASA. NASA's rainfall analysis showed rain falling at a rate of more than 274 millimeters (10.8 in) per hour on the 5th of September in the solid ring of storms within Irma's eye. The powerful storms rotating around the eye were really tall, reaching altitudes greater than 12.5 kilometers (7.75 miles). But the tallest thunderstorms were found southwest of Irma's eye, reaching heights of more than 16.2 kilometers (10 miles), NASA said. Sea temperatures contributed to Irma's power. Warm oceans, along with wind speed and direction, are the 2 key ingredients that fuel and sustain hurricanes. As Irma approached Florida, it passed over waters that are warmer than 30 C (86 F), hot enough to sustain a Category 5 storm, according to NASA scientists. Storm surges. Huge volumes of water are pushed by hurricane-force winds. When they meet land, the water surges inshore at levels far exceeding normal tides. Storm surges were caused across the south of Florida. Irma broke weather records. At its peak, Irma was a Category 5 storm with winds topping 295 kilometers per hour, 185 miles per hour. According to Phil Klotzbach, research scientist at Colorado State University's Department of Atmospheric Science, Irma's top wind speeds were tied with the second strongest maximum winds of all time for an Atlantic hurricane. Irma matches a 1935 storm in the Florida Keys, Hurricane Gilbert in 1988 and Wilma in 2005. Only one hurricane, Allen in 1980, has recorded stronger winds, at 190 miles per hour, he said. However, Irma broke Allen's record for sustained winds. It maintained maximum wind speeds of 295 kilometers per hour for longer than any other Atlantic hurricane. Irma grew in strength over a few days. The remnants of Hurricane Harvey, which hit in late August, could still be seen by satellite when Irma made its way across the Atlantic towards the Caribbean.